The forecast trends towards snow. Power companies preparing for the worst.
Yeah, News Channel 11's Brooke Kendall spoke with power companies about how they plan to keep you safe during the snow. Brooke?
As the temperature drops, leading to a potential snowstorm that also opens a door for potential power outages, where I spoke with electric companies as to how they're preparing. The Tennessee Valley Authority says they're even more prepared this year to meet winter energy demand.
Since last year, we've added more than 530 megawatts to the grid with new natural gas units, aeroderivative units up at our Johnsonville site, which is west of Nashville. And that's enough to power about 300,000 homes. And those units in particular are able to go from cold to full capacity in about 5 minutes.
Scott Brooks with the TVA adds preventative maintenance year-long by the TVA has been conducted to ensure reliability in cold temperatures.
Across our natural gas, hydro, coal, nuclear, to make sure all of those units are ready to come online as needed. We added additional permanent temporary enclosures to make sure there's extra insulation, wind protection around our key equipment, which was one of the issues we had with Winter Storm Elliott.
Appalachian Power, with over 1.1 million customers across Tennessee and Virginia, is also closely monitoring the weather. Izzy Post-Ruland, a spokesperson with the company, says they are working alongside partners in various states to have line crews ready if outages happen.
We have a lot of crews that are ready to go. They're ready to assess if needed. We'll have assessors as well as line crews. We also have things like drones and different tools that we use to be able to assess, maybe those farther out regions in the mountains and things of that nature, to be able to restore power should there be an outage as quickly as it's safe to do so.
Before the snow hits, News Channel 11 wants to keep you prepared. For the latest weather updates, you can head on straight to your devices. Just download our WJHL app.